Tilly opens her glowing bedtime book and Toto snuggles in for the night. With a wink, they drift into a magical safari dreamland. But tonight, they hear a strange hic echoing through the moonlit trees. It's Hugo the Hippo, the biggest, bubbliest hippo on the safari, and he has a serious case of the sleepy hiccups. But when hippos hiccup, bubbles float, stars jiggle, and monkeys giggle. Tilly and Toto set off on a gentle, funny mission to help Hugo calm his hiccups before bedtime. They meet dancing parrots, soothing elephants, and a wise owl who shares a perfect lullaby. Can they help Hugo stop his hiccups in time for dreamland? This is Tilly and Toto's Safari Dreamland. Join them on their adventures by reading the bedtime stories. Each night, Tilly and Toto take us on a magical journey through the moonlit safari, meeting wonderful characters and learning gentle lessons along the way.